Hi guys, there's still one more to do on the planning of today, and that starts with Plasma and add i3 to your system. Let's see if I have a Plasma available to experiment with. So Plasma, start. I wonder if it's gonna be the Plasma where I've made a tutorial about the personal folder. If so, you'll see it. It is. All right, this is another look. This can be your look, and that's all explained on a website called ArcoLinuxB. Build it yourself, put your data, your information online, ArcoLinuxB.com, and build the ISO. Use the folder. There's a personal folder on your system, something new there. And this is what we've done. So watch this one, building the ArcoLinuxB Plasma ISO and using the personal folder. This is a personal look. Anybody can create his own look, but then later you would like to install it and have it again and again and again, right? After each clean installation, you would like to have the same look or not. The thing is, the possibility is there, the freedom is there to do it. So we have Plasma, cool, we've got Plasma. We chose for these colors that time, right? Don't like them, but maybe you do, right? It's all about people liking stuff or not. We type XD to see what we've installed. It's just one thing, Plasma Desktop. That's all we have. And the idea is to add i3. But of course, I can add anything to it. Ctrl-Alt-E. I launch my tweak tool and I can try to install any of the other 20 ones. But it's the sheer number of combinations, right? It's just staggering. So it is just click, install, repeat, right? Eat, sleep, repeat, or rave, repeat. What was it again, right? It's nothing more than that. If there are issues, you start the tweak tool from, yes, the terminal. So you see messages. If something goes wrong, he'll tell you, because basically it's a graphical user interface. Behind it is Pacman doing his job. Or not, right? Packages can change, servers are down. I mean, keys can break. There might be conflicts. There's so many reasons why things cannot work, right? So you figure it out in a terminal. i3 is there, and off we go. We've got i3. If you like it, if you want it, say, okay, I'm gonna use this. You see that the icons are coming from Plasma, of course. So it's still a Sherlock Holmes, and it's also important what you like most. In which desktop do you want to work the most? That needs to look great, and this one, well, it has to follow, right? He has to just follow the settings that basically he's reading the Plasma settings now. So there you are. Want more information? You wonder, what should I do? How can I learn about a desktop, ArcoLinux D, right? The desktop called i3, phase 3, i3. We have tons of videos on i3, 21 to be exact, but don't forget, I was active before ArcoLinux. I have made videos on i3, on Debian, Solus, what else? Ubuntu, true, Linux Mint, true. I mean, i3 is an application, and I took my i3 config everywhere with me. And voila, we've got our own way of navigating, keyboard shortcuts, you name it. It's all themed and tweaked. It's in one i3 config, and that's it. And then you move around in different desktops or distributions, and that's great. All right, have fun learning about i3.